Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe.
And hit the like button.
Okay, so this is the Jollibees. It's in TaIpa. There's two of them in Macau now. So this is one of them. We're going to go in and get something called a burger steak. I'll show that to you when we come back. So Jollibee, it's a Filipino chain. So it's really popular with Filipinos. And actually today I see a lot of different people here from mostly more Chinese. There's another foreigner in there. And it's right next to this skyway in TaIpa. So just kind of show you where it's at. This is its location, and we'll just go up here and kind of show you the street. It's called Zhuhai de Guimarães. So we'll go up there as well, and then we'll talk about the menu and the food. Oh, there's like a big boy in here. It's interesting too. A Chinese restaurant. There's a giant big boy in this restaurant right here. So I don't want to get too close because there's somebody who's right next to the big boy. But let's go down that way. So that we're up on the Skyway, that's a Jollibee, so it's a chain. There's one in Macau side too. So there's a TaIpa one, and it's probably equally as popular. The Macau one is always really crowded. It's a bigger one on that side, but this one is not too bad either. That's the one that we were just at, walked by, that had a little big boy, which there's a woman right next to it, so I couldn't film it. This is the Skyway that goes through TaIpa, goes all the way to the metro station now. McDonald's is over there. And we're just gonna stroll down this little Skyway all the way down a little bit, and we'll just kind of show you this neighborhood that this Jollibees is at. Let me just kind of flip over on the other side real quick. So there's the McDonald's. We'll kind of take a look at this Skyway again real quick. Then we'll come down and look at the Jollibees, since that's the topic of it. We'll just do that before we walk down. And usually what I do on this channel is I just walk around and explore Macau and put it all on camera so you can see what it's like beyond the casinos and just we're right in the residential areas. And this one's going to be kind of a restaurant one, short one, but at least you kind of get the location and the idea. And then we'll just show you to Central Park over here, and that one in a minute. But yeah, right there is Central Park, and then Central Park is there's an IKEA that's right on the other side of it, right over there. So there's an IKEA, there's a new shopping mall that started, the Jollibee just started, the Skyway is brand new, and this TaIpa Central Park, there's a library in it, some basketball, soccer, little fields like that too. And it's kind of a cool area with all these skyscrapers everywhere. Take a look at this side too. And then you can also see the casinos down that way. So there's Londoner straight that way as well. So yeah, that's a little touch of Macau. Let's go down a little bit so you can have a better view of it. There we go. Londoner straight ahead. Jollibee straight down that way. That's Zhuhai de Guimarães. And there's the entrance. Actually, to cross the street now, you have to use the Skyway. You have to go up. But there's elevators everywhere. They take you right up. And some escalators too. It's kind of cool. Nice lighting. Let's go over to this side. And then we're going to end the video in a second. Lots of people walk around this park. You can see them strolling along. Sometimes they'll jog or run, walk dogs, stuff like that. And then here's the other one, a little McDonald's down that way. So a little taste of Macau. All those skyscrapers here. And if we could see all the way down, which you cannot at the moment. There are skyscrapers up on this side too. But all the way down there you can see Zhuhai, China. But because of the curvature right here, you can't see it because it kind of goes like that. But if I was down there a little bit further, I could see the some of the buildings for that. Okay, so let's go down just a little bit further, and then we'll zoom on out and end this channel. So that was Jollibee, and I guess this was a little bit of a food one. You can see my burger steak that I ordered. There's also spaghetti, french fries, stuff like that. Maybe you've seen some of that stuff on other menus, but that's the one that I got today anyway, so that's the one I usually get. All right. Hope you like that one too, this one.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.